I've been moved in now to my apartment for about a month. I feel as if my bedroom is actually basically done. I know I still want to get some wall art here and there. That's going to kind of come over time, as with my walls, I actually really like having a blank canvas. I really love how everything's coming together. I'm just going to say this from now. There are so many jelly cats everywhere just because I feel like it adds so much personality to my room. It's also kind of cool because like I think typically with something like my bedding, I'd maybe have pink before or something like that. But the fact I gravitated towards something blue, kind of different, but I feel like it really fits the space. I love it so much. With my bedroom, I really wanted it to be such a peaceful offline space, hence why I don't have a TV in here like I did in my old room. I now keep that in the living room completely separate, so when I come into my room at night for bedtime, it is very much a downtime space. But I love everything. My boyfriend helped me put up, he literally built everything. He built my bed, he did all my shelves, put those up. Thank you so much for doing that because it's made such a difference in my room, and it's also made organizing everything so nice. I'm so sorry this video is taking so long to get up. I wanted everything to be perfect. Over time I'm gonna keep adding things, but for the most part my bedroom is now finished and I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth room tour. Starting off, when you come into my room, I've actually got a double-sided coat hanger. So this side I have all my coats, which faces outwards, and then on the back of my door I've got some dresses, some cardigans, some hats, and I just really love this. It's a really good idea for storage. So I'm gonna go through each shelf. So the top one I have my Jellycat Leola bear with the baby pink house ceramic, and then I have a frame which is just an issue of the New Yorker, my Polaroid camera, some of my crystals, perfume. This one I have some Polaroids, jewelry. I also have my Minnie Mouse ears, some Sunny Angels, and Lord of Ray boxes. Down here I have a little Miffy. I've got some more Sunny Angels, my jewelry. In here I've got another Sunny Angels tote bag, but I just keep loads of body mists and things in here. I just thought it was a really cute way to store stuff. And then at the bottom I've got more Lord of Ray boxes, some designer books, and journals and books here at the bottom as well. But with the shelf unit, I really do feel like it adds a lot of personality into my room, and it's been a really fun way to decorate. And then in the middle of my room I do in fact have my bed. So this bedspread is actually from George at Home Asda, as well as the sheets and pillowcases. These two white ones, this one and this one, all from HomeSense. And then I've got my two jelly cats as well. And then on the end of my bed I also have this blanket. I have this usually in the living room, but last night I did sleep with it. It's just from Primark Home. Then over here I have my vanity. As you guys can see, this is kind of a similar setup to how I had it in my old room at home, but over here I just have this crate. It's got my heatless curler, face mask, skincare, my makeup bag, makeup brushes, mini heart mirror, a lip mask, and then up top here is something I was really excited for. These are my acrylic shelves. I love them so much. At the bottom shelf here I've got hair perfumes, hair oils, my moisturizer, and all of these up here then are just perfumes. I just thought it was a really nice, elegant way to store my perfumes, and I've always wanted something like this in my room. I'm really excited that I have this here. And then down here I also have this Sherpa store. It also rotates. This is also from HomeSense. And then the rug that I'm standing on goes all the way down by the side of my bed. This is also from HomeSense as well. Now, as much as I didn't want to show this, I feel this is a bit of a reality, but I need to get some more storage because in here I just have loads of jumpers and tracksuits that don't fit in my wardrobe. But I feel like I've organized it to look somewhat cute, so this is the current setup for this, in between my dresser and my dressing table. And then over here I have my dresser wicker basket with loads of lotions and body lotions in here. I have some fresh tulips as it is now spring. Another basket with my Jellycat, my memory card purse, my vision board. I actually really want to hang this up on my wall. I'm just debating whether I want to go through with that or not. I have my Apple Watch charger, this woodwick candle in the scent rosewood. This lamp from IKEA. This basket is from HomeSense. This vase is from Asda. This I got in Cyprus from Zara Home, HomeSense and IKEA, and then this frame is Primark Home as well. Second is tops and gym stuff. So I got my gym stuff here, tops and things like that. Bottom, I just have like tracksuits, I've got skirts, trousers, you name it, I've got it in here. I actually got this dresser when I moved in because I knew I wanted something bigger for this new space, and my one in my old room was way too small for the amount of clothes that I have, so I did choose to upgrade to this one. This is from IKEA. So is my dressing table, and of course my bed is also from IKEA as well. But yeah, so this is my finished room tour. It's very minimal, and also I've realized when I moved out, I actually do not have that much stuff. I think the majority of my stuff was clothes. I'm really obsessed with how my rooms come together. I really love the space that I've been creating here, and it has everything I want. I love that everything matches as well. I also didn't realize that my dressing table actually matches my dresser and matches my bed as well, which is kind of crazy. One thing I forgot to mention is that my acrylic shelves are Amazon, and then my shelf unit is also IKEA. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you want to shop anything from this video. But it's been so much fun moving in. I know this moving diaries is going to probably be a little bit shorter than I would have liked. What happened was when I first moved in, my camera broke, so I actually missed out on filming and unpacking a lot of stuff. But I still wanted to do another episode because I wanted to do a moving diary per room. That is everything for now. I really hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video and coming along with me as I've been settling in. It's been really nice also doing vlogs in between these videos. You guys can kind of see what life is looking like at the moment, but I'm filming way more and I've been documenting so much, and I can't wait to share more videos with you all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.